One of the most common cause of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by a temporary defeat. Every person is guilty of this mistake at one time or the another. Let me tell you the story. There was a man, he owned a piece of a land. One day he got to know there was a gold hidden in the land and he caught up by the gold fever. He had never heard that more gold has been mined from the brains of men than ever has been taken from the earth. He went to the work with a pick and shovel, but the going was hard and his lust for gold was definite. After a week, he got rewarded with the discovery of a shine. He decided to bring the machinery for bringing the ore on the surface and he started collecting funds from his neighbor and relatives. They gave him funds because they were having a faith. He was very happy. Later he bought the machinery and started digging and the first care of a ore was mined and shipped. The return was fabulous and it has proved that he is having one of the richest minds. A more cars of a ore will clear all his debts and will bring the huge killing profits. Few weeks later, he went up on drilling the land and his hopes went up. Later something happened. The vein of the gold got disappeared and the pot of a gold was no longer. They still tried to dig up with the vein but still all went waste and the gold was no longer available. Later he decided. He sold the machinery to a junk man with the land which he owned for clearing all his debts and the amount which he has received from the junk man he gave it to the neighbors and relatives from where he bought the money and he came back to home. Some junk men are dumb, not this one. He called one of the mining engineer and took a help of him. Engineer had advised that the project has failed because of the owner was not familiar with the fault lines. His calculation has showed up that the vein of a gold was just 3 feet away from where he stopped drilling. The young man took millions of dollars in the ore from the mine just because he knew enough to seek the expert counsel before giving up. Moral of the story is never quit. Difficulties and the problems are temporary. Take an advice of expert if needed before quitting.